Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to say thank you for coming to my presentation. It is great to see you all. My name is Sriwidyaningsi, NIM 210320T4. Kelas Biologi NK. Lecturer Miss Lafizatul Hilmi MPD. Presentation Project 1 Reading Weekend 2 until Weekend 5. Title 70 for Teddy Does. Information about need from this text is we can know 70 for Teddy Does. So the table locks Tider and no Macy. 1. Only keep things you really need on near your desk. 2. Don't keep only drink on your desk. 3. Reduction the amount of paper that you use. 4. Scan your notes. 5. Use your smartphone to take photos of things you need to remember. 6. Get a note to keyboard. 7. Clean your desk at the end of every day. Difficulty. The difficulties encountered when reading the text are that there are some vocabularies that are still not understood. Interesting things. Yes, the text is very interesting because by applying 7 tips for Teddy does this make us more comfortable in learning, so it don't disrupt our conclusion when we see a messy study table. Article 2. Title a restaurant menu. Information. The important information in this text is various kind of delicious menu in the board restaurant. Starting from snacks, starters, main course, drink, and dessert within very delicious at an affordable price, so people are interested in buying at Lux Circle 12:30 until 2:30 p.m. or dinner Cipher. It is exactly 6 o'clock until it is exactly 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. Difficulty. The difficulties encountered when reading the text are that there are some vocabularies that are still not understood. Interesting things. Yes, the text is very interesting because I love taste menu because there has a lot of my favorite food and also have dessert. Article 3. Title Social Media Influencer. Information. The important information in this text is that we count about 40% of the world's population uses social media and many are looking for influencer we can market their product. There are 5 so we can become influencer. 1. Course you make. 2. Course you medium and writer and interesting bio. 3. Post regularly and consistently. 5. 4. Tell an interesting story. 5. Make sure people can achieve in your content. Difficulty: the difficulties encountered when reading the text are there some vocabularies that are still not understood. Interesting things, yes, the text is very interesting because there are some tips for us to become great influence. Article 4. Title: Innovation in Business. Information: the important information from this is about information in business so that our business can survive in today's world. There are several ways a company can be innovative with their product and service. Today we will look at four on them. One, using the latest technology to improve your product service. Responding to customer demands by changing what is offered. Three, offering a new product service to right a new customer. Four, tagging the way your profit difficulty difficulty. The difficulties in reading the text, normally there are some words that are difficult to understand. Interesting things, yes, the text is very interesting about the world of business, so the one can increase profits in business. Article 5. Theater, food, and restaurant. Information: the important information from this regarding the existence of a new restaurant. Normally, an India restaurant location in the city center, so that we can enjoy food and beautiful plantations, the profit variety of disease. The most popular is lamb cooked with milk, medium or spiky species. Besides, there are many more types of healthy food that can be enjoyed while listening to music. Difficulty: the difficulties in reading the text, normally there are some words that are difficult to understand. Interesting things, yes, the text is very interesting because we know one kind of food information is in the India restaurant in the city center. Article 6. Vital skill for the 20th century warpath. Information. The important information from this text is that we must have the skill needed for the warpath in the 20th century, such as ICT skill and also about the digital world. The art five tips of skill the employer may ask as us in interview: imagination, problem solving, communication skill, critical analysis, dan decision making. The difficulties in reading the text, normally there are some words that are difficulty to understand. interesting things. Yes, the text is very interesting. So that we know what skill we have to master in the 20 uh, 21 century, such as ECT skill and now leader of digital world. So that at the time of the job interview, we already know the answer. Article 7. Title causing a musical instrument. The information we get from this text is the we can what we have to play in causing a musical instrument. Starting from the type of music instrument, pleasant to plates and preparators. Vocabularies that are still not understood. Interesting things. Yes, the text is interesting because it gives us information so we don't have to hesitate anymore in closing music. Article 8. Title are those a good thing. Information, the important information about China from this text is about those which give a lot of treatises because many arguing the animal often suffer physical and mental because they are in confinement and many also force animal to the tricks. But on the other hand, people agree the zoos has the potential to educate the public to protect animal and their habitats. One of the functional of zoos is to support international breeding program, especially for endangered species. Difficulty. The difficulties encountered when reading the text are that are some vocabularies that are still not understood. Interesting things, yes, the text is very interesting because it provides information that exhaust is good or not depending on how well it the is managed and utilized. Article 9. Title The Sharing Economy. Information The important information from this text is how do we use smartphone to become useful items, such as the emergency of the internet with Enfin was to generate profit by using sites that facilitate the buying and selling of used goods. Online platform and also Uber with encourages people the user private car as taxi to earn extra money and much more. Difficulty. The difficulties encountered when reading the text are that there are some vocabularies are still not understand. Interesting this, yes, the text is very interesting because it gives us information of how to use smartphone to become a useful item like we can make money using website of social media. Article 10. Title The Buy Nothing Movement. The important information from this text is that average person spends a lot of money of buying new clothes in a year and is worried about society and the environment. Firstly, a lot on consumer spending goes through credit cards, buying things that they don't need, but a different trend emerged against consumerism. The buy nothing trends with originates in Canada and the move to the US where it become a rejection of overspending and overconsumption. The difficulties encountered when writing the text are that there are some vocabularies that are still not understood. Interesting things, yes, the text is especially interesting because it tells of the trend of buy nothing, where it becomes a rejection of overspending and over consuming. Article 11. Title Miracles. Information. The important information from this text is regarding the miracles what is on of the 100 minor apocalypse stories. Lucky Corin is the author of the short story collection The Entry Predicament Team House Box and the novel Everyday Peace Calculars. History for Greece FC2. The difficulties encountered when reading the text are that there are some vocabularies that are still not understood. Interesting things, yes, the text is very interesting because it discusses the mirrorless story written by Lucky Corey. Article 12. Title The and the Grasshopper. Information. The important information from this text is that grasshopper with and is described people who were diplomats, analysts, logicians, and mediators tend to strike a balance between word and play, with a less inclination toward the tend to play and are working very hard now, so they can enjoy the result. The difficulties encountered when writing the text are that there are some vocabularies that are still not understood. Interesting things, yes, the text is very interesting because it tells us that for us to strike a balance between work and play because it's all about quality of life and feeding a happy balance between work and friend and family. Article 310. Title English short stories that focus on different grammar topics. Information. The important information from this text is in the text one about working and playing where Ben is asked to help me play a game. In the text two, Mary this day is excited about going to her reception office. In text 3 weekend plans where Christine and Margaret will have vacation plans. Difficulty. The difficulties encountered when reading the text are that there are some vocabularies that are still not understood. Interesting things, yes. Think text is very interesting because it tells about run and play. Maybe this day we can plan in the text English short stories that focus on different grammar topics. Article 410. Title Additional Reading Practice. Information The important information from this text is that we can find out how important English reading practice and reading comprehension are. Text and exercise reading comprehension is an important skill and is not acquired by skimming content and quizzing the meaning of words and sentences. 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 The difficulties and concern we reading the text are that there are some vocabularies that are still not understand. Interesting this, yes, the text is very interesting because it tells us that understanding English is important is our fast. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.